Hi friends, this is R.A.B. channel. In this video, we will look at a strategy for free Bitcoin in the multiply section. The strategy is interesting and many people don't know about it yet. And I think it's worth telling you in more detail, as it will allow you to increase your satishes. But before we start, of course, keep in mind the risks, as the multiply section is a kind of roulette on the site. And if you spin often, you can lose your balance. And so it all falls on your shoulders. I and no one else is responsible for your actions. The video is created only for the purpose of familiarization, and I show everything on my example. Well, let's get down to business. Let's go. First of all, go to the site Freebitcoin. If you are not registered yet, I will leave the link to the site in the description. In the multiply section, choose auto. And then if you carefully follow the values that I will show, every detail is important. I have here 300 Satoshi. Further 20 steps further, select here. 3 here, select 30. 3 put it on high further profile, is like a stop will work for you when on what profit I put about 10,000. You can put more. Let's put it on 15,000 as your stop. That is at what point it needs to stay. Don't put anything here, and it stays like that. Further, what we need to choose here we put 53 here. We leave a check mark. Basically, we check everything once again. Now, I'm going to run it in front of you and see what happens. I recommend more than 2 times a week. It is generally recommended by many who play multiply, and do not forget that in addition to the fact that even if you drain, you still have your income in the record at which you can then spend on Satoshis plus. You also still get free spin here is a percentage of your when collecting on that is this percentage you grow.